When this is a System IO or ScanStore video, which one is best for you? Now, System IO is one of those things that is inbuilt for everything, right? So if you need like internet marketing, you need funnels or whatever, they also offer a free trial that never expires. So let's say you don't have any credit card and you need a free forever plan, things like that, it's going to give you all of it. And for Stan Store, it's basically just an online store for e-commerce people and mostly for creators who are looking for email marketing and social media marketing built in. And you need that. So let's say you just have a product to sell, right? You're a creator and you have a product to sell. You also need a link in bio style thingy. In that case, Stan Store is best for you. But let's say that you need all the funnels when it comes to sales marketing, you own an agency. Yeah, it's much more higher than just a physical product. You have courses, there's levels, things like that. In that case, System IO is the best option for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.